Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster border city. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2012 Ford F-150 XLT. Now the exterior color is an ingot metallic silver, and under the hood we have a 3.5 liter EcoBoost V6 engine paired to a 6-speed automatic select shift transmission. Now at the front we have our halogen high-end low beam headlamps, as well as our fog lamps and our engine block heater with 2 tow hooks. Over at the side we have our 18-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in our Firestone tires, as well as our Ford OEM running boards and our tow mirrors, as well as our chrome door handles. We also have our privacy tinted windows in the rear, and this truck also comes with command start. At the rear we have our trailer and tow package, which includes our 4 and 7-pin connection, as well as our trailer hitch, as well as we have our spare 5th wheel, and on top we have a soft tonneau cover. As we get into the interior, we have tons of driver-friendly features, including lots of door storage, power locks, and power windows, as well as power adjustable mirrors. Now our mirrors also have the signal light indication. And as we get to our steering column, we have our automatic headlamp dial and our full steering wheel with foot pedal adjustment, which includes information, trackpad, and cruise control settings, and our hands-free volume controls. And as we look up, we have our auto dimming rearview mirror with our cabin lights and another cabin light in the rear. And now here we have our 40-20-40 seating arrangement, which has an adjustable seat for the driver, but also includes a 3rd seat in the middle, or we can keep it folded down like it is for an extra support of arm, and dual cup holders and a center console. As we look ahead, you'll notice we have 111,463 kilometers on this F-150. And as we look ahead at our stereo unit, we have audio control, which includes sound, AM and FM, Sirius XM, and an auxiliary in, as well as a CD player. Underneath we have our climate control area, and just below we have our aux in cord, as well as our 12-volt adapter and USB. As we look at the rear and the interior, passengers can enjoy door storage as well as power windows. And they can have more storage in the rear of the driver and passenger seat. And at the back of our center console, we have a 12-volt adapter and dual cup holders. And with our 60-40 bench seating arrangement, we have tons of legroom, as well as lots of headspace to fit 3 passengers in the rear comfortably. And that is a total of 6 passenger seating inside this F-150. If there are any more questions about this beautiful F-150, please do not hesitate to contact our professional and friendly sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. And I would also like to take the time here to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.